Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to put your iPhone 16e into DFU mode. This is the most advanced mode, and it's not too easy to put your smartphone in this mode, but now I'll teach you how to do that without the problems. Firstly, you should connect your smartphone to your PC. Okay. Then we should press volume up, volume down, press and hold power button. When the picture disappears, press and hold volume down button for 5 seconds and then release the power button. Okay, so it's easier than you think. Volume up, volume down, press and hold power button. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the side key. And that's it. As you can see, we have no Apple logo on our screen. It means that we have our device in the DFU mode. And how can we check it? So to do that, we should open Apple Devices application. This is the original Apple device Apple application for resetting your device or to communicate your Windows with iOS. If you use macOS, you just can open Finder. Your computer has detected an iPhone in DFU mode. As you can see, our iPhone in DFU, and we can restore our iPhone using DFU right now. Or we can just check it in 3utils application. So just open 3utils app, and as you can see, it detected our device. So sorry, I will try to reopen it. It doesn't detected DFU. So let's try again. Device, okay, iDevice connected. DFU mode, volume up and volume down buttons in turn, then hold the power button till screen on. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.